Hello. Hello, Mr. Aaron, Mr. Ryan, right? Yeah. Do you still remember what's palindrome? Yeah.
Yeah.
What's palindrome?
When you reverse it, it's still the same.
Can you give me an example?
A, B, C, D, A.
Okay. A B C D A.
No, B, A.
A B C D A. Okay. Any more?
Race car.
Race car. Exactly.
Poop.
Okay.
A.
Okay. Okay, so yeah, exactly. Okay, so let's see. I have a few letters. Yeah, C D E. Okay, you can use all the letters for me or some letters for me. Can you give me the longest palindrome by using the letters? Construct the letters. Each one can use once, at most one. Okay.
But what if there are 3 C's? Can you use 3 C's?
Up to you. So yeah. Any more? Come on. The longest one. Okay.
C, C, C.
No. You can rearrange
C,
the
C,
letters.
C,
It doesn't
D.
have to be in order.
Yeah, I know, but still.
Sorry?
I don't think you should use an A, B, or an E.
D, C, 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 D.
Well done. Look. D,
That's the
C,
longest.
C, C, D. Yeah,
You
obviously.
can't
Any
use
more?
an A, B, or E because
Okay. Any more?
C, C, D, D,
No, C, C,
C,
C.
D, C.
What? C, C?
No.
No, that's not palindrome.
No, I mean C, C and D, D separate.
C, C and D, D.
No!
No, not together.
Okay. C, C, D, D. Yeah. But that's shorter than this one.
Yeah, you said
Better than nothing.
Okay. Yeah. So
D,
you're
C,
saying
C,
this one
D.
is the longest,
D,
yeah?
C, C, D has one.
Wait.
Yeah, probably you're right. This is the longest. Yeah.
You
So
can't use an A, B, or E since they're
Okay.
they're not 2 of them.
well done. You bring a very good point. Okay. So first of all, there are many of these. Yeah. That's not very good
Yeah,
example.
there's some others which is length 5, like, for example, D, C, A, C, D.
D C A C D. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, well done. D C A C D. D C A C D. Yes, exactly. That's another length of 5. Okay. So the 5 is the longest, right? So how do we find? We want to, there are many examples, but the task is to find out the length. It doesn't require you to return the longest. Which one? You just need to tell me 5. Okay. Let me give an example. Okay. A, B, C, D, E. Okay. What's this? What's the longest? What's the
D,
longest?
C, A, C, D.
What? B, C. What?
C, D.
A,
But I don't think that's
C,
the longest.
D.
one.
No, that's not.
Wait. Is A in the middle?
Is it?
And B?
Yeah, well done. You find it. Yeah. Okay. So that's right. That's the correct strategy. Okay. But obviously you can have many. Yeah. You can swap these. As long as A is in the middle, you can have these E, right? Or C and B. Yeah. So
D.
there are many variants
And
of
D.
these. Yes. Of course. Yes. D. Okay. So what's your thoughts? If I have a few numbers like Eric, ERIC, Ryan. Okay. So look, what's the longest? So how do we get this? How do we compute the longest one? So we
Find one of them that is.
find what? We want to do what? There's a thing in Python that allow us to count the number of the frequency for each character. What is it called? We want to count the number of frequency for each letter, a string, a list, or whatever. What is it called? Look.
Me.
Alright, Ryan, come on, I'm with you.
E.
A, B, C. Okay, for example, this. If we want to get the count, A 2 times, B 2 times, C 1 times. What is it called? What kind of data structure? What kind of thing allow us to?
Dictionary.
Yeah, dictionary.
Counter.
Counter, exactly. Okay, Ariel, are you with me?
Yeah.
Counter, yeah. So if we have this counter, we have the numbers. We have a frequency for each. We have a. So we can get the frequency for each letter, right? So what do we do with the numbers? What do we do with the numbers? If it's an even number, can we Can we use the all of the letter if it's even number?
Yeah.
Yeah, because we can put one on the left, put one on the right, right? Okay.
And because if it's like just one, but if there's like one, this is only have one.
Yeah.
But if there's like a D one, you can't use all of them.
But I can use one, at most one.
Yeah.
Okay. And how about C3, 3 times? How many times I can use?
You can use it all.
Really?
Yeah.
How about, no, the thing is, okay, C3, D1, and then A2. So what's the longest? What's the longest?
A C C C A.
A, C, 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 A. Yeah, okay, you mentioned that's a very good point. So if it's an odd number, right? Look, if it's an odd number, yeah, we can use the -1, right? Because look, it's 3 characters, 3 C's. We can use 2C obviously, right? Yeah, we can use 2C. But what's next? But we can also use at most 1 odd number in the middle, right? Am I right? So the point is to create it, to use as many characters as long as they're in pairs. And then we can put one more in the middle if there's an extra one. But that's it, no more, right? That's it, no more. Do you get it? Yeah? Yeah? Okay, so we can use this counter thing and then that'll be, yeah? Let's quickly write this implementation and then you'll see. Probably you can, you know how to do it, right? Right when you're not standing in front of the camera, people will just see your head.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, oh, no, don't touch that. Okay, so define the longest palindrome. S, okay, for example, is S. So we need to go to this D. D equals the counter, right? Yeah, we count it. Counter S. Now answer equals 0, right? This is the longest palindrome. Okay, so then I want to have a counter which is all equals 0, which means that if we have one more extra letter in the middle, like all at the beginning is 0, okay? So let's go through this dictionary for I in D, right? Now if DI is and 1 or modulus 2 equal 0. If it's an odd number, what if the frequency is an odd number, so we can use all of it, right? Alright?
Yeah.
So answer plus equal DI, right? Okay, now you tell me, as it's a odd number. Oh, sorry, what did I say? It's an even number, right?
Yeah.
If it's an even number, then we can use all the numbers, right? And how about it's odd number?
If there's more one number.
If it's odd number, we can use it -1, right? Answer plus equal DI -1. Am I right? Look, if it's 5, we can use 4 of it. Am I right?
Yeah, and put one in the middle.
So we put this. We have a counter here. So odd equals set it to 1. So it means we have extra more at the end, right? So we just need return answer plus odd at the end, right? Look, this is quite beautiful, right? Look, Eric, come on.
Yeah.
Come on,
It
let's
doesn't look beautiful.
let's give it a go with some example. If S is empty, right? If S is empty, the loop will not be executed, so the answer is 0, right? Obviously, yeah? If S is one character, A, right? So the D will become A1, right? Yeah? So we go through this A1. If it's an even number, look, it's an odd number, obviously, so the answer plus equals DI, which is 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 1 minus 1 equals 0, and odd equals 1. So return 0 plus 1, 1, right? Because any single number is a palindrome, right?
Yeah.
How about 2 letters, like AB? Okay, this is example. So the correct answer will be
A or B.
one character. Okay, so look, if the D counter thing, you tell me A equals 1, B equals 1, right? Yeah? Go through the D. So this is the odd, even number, this is odd number. Okay, so answer plus equals 0. odd equals 1. And the second iteration with the B, answer plus equals 0, odd equals 1. And return answer plus odd, which is 1. Okay. And how about another example? Like look, A, B, C. Okay. Look. Okay. Wait. Maybe let's try. B, B, C. A, B, B, C. Okay. So this the with
CAA.
the D will be A equals 2 times, B equals 3 times, C equals 1 time. Okay? Yeah? So A, which is even number, answer plus equals 2. So we have 2. And then B, which is the odd number, answer plus 3 minus 1, right? And then odd, I set it to 1. Okay? Come on, yeah?
Yeah.
And C equals the odd number. Odd number, answer plus 1 minus 1 and odd equals 1. So the result will be answer 2 plus 2, 4. Yeah? Plus 0. 4 plus 1 is 5. So that we can use the 5 characters. Am I right? So we can either use the 2 A's, 2 B's, 1 C, or 2 A's and 3 B's. So the answer is 5. Do you get it? Anyway, what have you learned today?
About palindrome.
What about palindrome?
Longest palindrome.
We want to do what?
In any order.
We want to construct the longest palindrome using the letters we have. Okay? Yeah? This is okay. One example. A little bit. Okay? A, C, D, C, B, B, A. Okay, what's the longest palindrome you can get?
D, C, C, B, B, A.
How? What's the?
A, B, B, C,
Wait.
Q.
It is D, C, C, B, B, A.
But that's not the only one.
Yeah, I know, because if you have a D in the middle, you can swap the A, B, C. Yeah? You can have C, B, A, D.
Just to make sure that's not annoying.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so you get it, yeah? Okay, to sum up. Okay, one more sentence. To sum up, if it's even frequency, yeah? If that character appears even number, we can use all of it by appending 1 on the left, 1 on the right, right? If it's an odd number, we can use its frequency minus 1, right? Yeah? Do you get it?
Yeah.
And then we need to set it extra one character because we can use the extra 1 character in the middle, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that will be it. But only once, yeah? But only once. The time complexity, ON, right?
Obviously.
Yeah, because we just have one loop going through the characters at once, yes? The space complexity, ON, we are using the counter, right? Do you get it? Okay, that will be it for today. Bye-bye.